Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Gumroad product. In order to do that, first of all, create a Gumroad account, and after logging into your Gumroad, you'll have to click on the products option that is at the left corner of your dashboard and you will see this page. On this page, click on new product option at the top right corner. Now, you'll have to choose whether your product is going to be a digital product, course or a tutorial, or is it going to be an ebook, membership, physical good or bundle. So identify the category of your product and click on that option. So for example, my product is going to be an ebook. So I'll select ebook and click on next and name my product anything I want. For example, I will just name it ebook. Now choose the price of your product. So I'm adding $60. Now I'll click on next customize button at the top right corner. After that, I will see this page. On this page, I will have to name my product, enter the description of my product. So you can add any description that you want. After adding it, you can add any keyword to your URL. For example, I will just add now. Scroll down and choose a cover of your product. Click on upload images or your videos. You can choose an external link or your computer file. So I will choose computer file and upload the image of my product. You'll have to choose the thumbnail of your product. So this image will appear in the Gumroad library, discover and profile pages. Your image should be square and at least 600 into 600 pixels, and it should be in JPG, PNG or GIF format. So click on upload file button on the thumbnail and click on computer file. Now select the file on your computer and click on open. As you can see, I just uploaded the product's image. It's looking pretty good. Now I will scroll down and go to product info and add a call to action. So I will add buy this, and in the summary I will say you will get life enriching knowledge with this ebook. So this is a brief summary of my product. Now in the additional details, you can add an attribute. For example, my product will have this much pages. So I will add the value as 100 pages. You can add a detail and choose another attribute and value of your product, or you can also click on delete and delete that. Now add a pricing of your product. In this area, you can change it and add any pricing that you want. For example, I'm adding 55. You can also allow customers to pay what they want by enabling this button. If you don't want it, simply disable it. Now scroll down and do all these settings according to your preference, because these settings vary according to the products that you're selling. So do these settings, allow these buttons if you want, and click on save and continue. After you click on save and continue, here you'll have to basically enter the content that you want to sell, or upload your files, or start typing your content. So I'm selling an ebook. What I will have to basically do here is enter the content of my ebook on this page. I can manually write it, copy the content from my ebook and paste it here, or I can also add a link to my ebook by clicking here, enter a text and enter the URL of my ebook and click on add link. You can also add images and various things in this area. Now I will click on publish and continue at the top right corner, and I have successfully uploaded this product on my Gumroad. So I just created a Gumroad product. It's looking pretty good. Anyone can click on buy this and buy my product, and these are my products on Gumroad. So that's how you create products on Gumroad. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.